Did you know your vehicle may be equipped with an available feature that reclines the front seats to a nearly full flat position? They're called Max Recline seats, and here's how to use them. First, flip one or both rear seat cushions to their upright, locked position and remove any objects that may obstruct the movement of the Max Recline seats. Next, pull back and hold the seatback switch located on the outboard side panel of the seat cushion until the seatback is in a comfortable position or until it stops moving. The front upper seat bolster tilts for extra comfort. To adjust it, use your hands to pivot it toward your shoulders. After the upper seat bolster reaches its forwardmost position, pivot it forward again to release it to the home position. The Max Recline seats are intended to be used while the vehicle is stationary. If the passenger seat is in Max Recline mode while the vehicle is moving, a chime sounds and a warning appears in the instrument cluster. These can be turned off by moving to its upright position. To return the seat to its home position, hold the seatback switch forward until the seatback returns to your preferred position. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.